Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Dynamic. Today, we're talking about a car that once made history and is now set to do it again, the 2025 Tata Nano. That's right, Tata is bringing back the Nano, but this time, with a futuristic twist. The Nano was originally designed as India's most affordable car, and now, in 2025, Tata has reinvented it for the electric revolution. So, what's new? Let's dive in. Starting with the design, the new Nano still carries its compact DNA but with a modern and stylish touch. It features sleek LED headlights, a bold front grille, and aerodynamic contours that make it look futuristic yet instantly recognizable. Tata has clearly worked on making the Nano stand out in the EV space. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, lies a fully electric powertrain. The Nano EV is expected to come with a 25 to 30 kWh battery pack, offering a range of around 250 kilometers on a single charge. And thanks to Tata's fast charging tech, you can juice it up from 10% to 80% in just 45 minutes. Inside, Tata has completely transformed the cabin. You now get a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and even connected car features. The Nano is no longer just a budget car, it's smart, futuristic, and built for modern city driving. Safety has also seen a major upgrade. The 2025 Nano comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and a stronger body structure that meets today's safety standards. Tata is ensuring that this small car is as safe as it is efficient. And now, the big question, what about the price? The Nano was always known for its affordability, and Tata is staying true to that. The expected price for the 2025 Nano EV is around Rupee 5 to 6 lakh, making it India's most affordable electric car. And with government EV incentives, the final cost could be even lower. So, does the 2025 Tata Nano EV have what it takes to revolutionize city commuting again? It's compact,